Okay, so privacy strategies for LLC. So a lot of landlords, they like to keep their name off of the properties that they buy. Obviously, you guys know that deeds are public information, so they'll know. If you look up a property, you'll see who's the past owners. But there's some things you can do to minimize the client's information that's available out in the public.
I'm sorry, Dan. You told us to ask questions, right?
Yeah.
Can you go back? Why wouldn't they buy and hold rental, not enacting S corp? Are they doing just a regular Schedule C or what is it?
Yeah, it's the way the IRS treats rental income.
Okay.
Yeah.
If they don't do S corp, what is their option?
It's the default tax designation, which would be passed through.
Okay.
Yeah, Schedule C.
Pass directly to their personal. That's
Percent-
better, or is that required by the IRS?
That's generally required by the IRS. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. Okay, so one strategy is don't use your name on your LLC. Don't call it Dan Wing LLC because everyone's going to know who it belongs to. Okay, so a lot of real estate investors will just use the name of the property. So if it's like 123 Westminster, they'll just call it 123 Westminster LLC. Yeah.
But you want people to know how much you have.
Yeah. Don't use your home address as the business address. So we have to, when we file LCs, we're required to have a principal business address. A lot of people make the mistake of using their home address, and well, now I know where you live. So you can, so you don't want to do that. Okay.
Is that a PO box? Okay.
So here, so technically PO box is not okay, which is what you get at the post office. But I'm saying use a commercial mailbox, which is like you probably seen UPS store or other businesses that will allow you to rent the mailbox. Don't use the one from the post office box because the state won't allow you to do that. So you can use a commercial mailbox, or you can rent a virtual office as a business address, and then use a third party. So don't file it for yourself because when you file for LLC, you have to sign the document and print your name. So if I'm looking up who owns this, I can zero in on who's likely the owner because they're going to sign the document. So you can use an attorney or other filing service to file this for you. And then there's someone called a registered agent. So if you're not familiar with LLCs and corporations, all those types of businesses, they need to have what's called a registered agent, which is a party to accept legal documents from whoever is suing the LLC corporation. So you don't want your clients or yourself to be that registered agent if you're trying to hide who owns the LLC. So you can hire a third party to act as your registered agent so your name's not out there.